good spot.
Oh, just fucking put the gun over the edge and shoot down his head.
He's so tanky.
Shotgun, be free forever. I haven't reloaded yet. Oh my god!
Radio transmission.
Fall back. I repeat.
Holy
fall
shit,
back.
how many
They're
fucking
looking
shots
too
did I have
well.
on that guy?
All LMB at Grand Central, fall back to checkpoint Hector Alpha. We're leaving.
Grand Central, report.
Sir,
Hold on, I gotta
They're
grab
coming
this real
back.
fast.
we held it.
Ha! Let's see Bliss shrug this one off. Good work, everyone. I'm damn proud of you.
Watch out.
What you talking about, Willis?
I think we're all...
Did you see this I Am Legend Easter egg over here?
What? Really?
So this is the bridge that he sees the mannequin on. Here's Frank,
Yeah.
right here.
I got a question.